Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The annual staging of Unity in the City is set to ignite Kingston. This year's staging of the event will be headlined by American gospel singers Travis Green, Fred Hammond and Tasha Cobbs Leonard. The event, which is in the third year, is dubbed the Ultimate Gospel Experience and is scheduled for the National Stadium on Saturday. Local acts Minister Marion Hall, Ryan Mark and Rondell Positive are billed to perform at the event. The show will be hosted by It Ellis with co-host Elaine, who is honored to be part of this year's staging of the event.
Excited to be part of it. It's a move of God. It is a positive, love-filled, God-filled event. And the purpose of it, is not only the concert, which is going to be amazing, but there's also going to be a Unity-free teen camp where underprivileged kids get a chance to be exposed to positive.
Elaine recently released her gospel track, Boasting of God, and is grateful for the traction it has been receiving.
The reception to Boasting of God has been, oh my goodness, overwhelming. I am so grateful. That song is my testimony.
Elaine is also gearing up to release her new track that is produced by Kabaka Pyramid.
I have a new single that's going to be coming out. That's called Victory Rock. That's produced by Kabaka Pyramid.
This year, organizers have a threefold initiative for the change. The mega gospel events, which brings people together, free teen camps targeting disadvantaged young people, and becoming ambassadors for faith-based tourism in Jamaica. The 2018 Unity in the City concert took place on Easter Monday at the National Stadium. That event drew an estimated 15,000 patrons and featured DJ Nicholas, Kevin Downswell, Jermaine Edwards, Israel Houghton, J.J. Harrison, as well as Travis Green. Upcoming artist Naomi Cowan recently wrapped performances in Europe. Naomi covered 4 shows on the continent. She made her debut on June 9 at the Cross the Tracks Festival in London, which also featured Dawn Penn. On June 12, she performed at Uppsala Reggae Festival and in Sweden on July 27. Then it was Boomtown Fair in the United Kingdom on August 9. The recent performances in Europe has introduced the Paradise Plum singer to a wider audience and fan base. Naomi emerged on the scene in 2015 with the songs Naked and E-Prime brought